Yeah, you can. Hi guys, welcome to today's class. If you can hear me, please. If once you are coming in, once you can hear me, Summer Victoria, you're active. Please type. I can hear you if you can hear me clearly. Just type. I can hear you, so I can know that you guys. I'm only seeing one person on this live. Eh? Never start from your end. Please, guys, if you can hear me, just type I can hear you. I think is it network error again today. I beg you, maybe it's network. Maybe I can hear you. Okay. Um, we can hear you. Who is typing network? Please. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Sorry, guys, I'm not in my usual place today. Type I can hear you before we continue. Type I can hear you. If you can hear me, please type I can hear you. Is the network bad, moderator? You can. Eh? So it's not loading at all. At all. Whoa. Please, if you can hear me, type I can hear you. Okay. People are saying they can hear me. Moderator, how come you are not hearing me? Check with my own phone. Okay, your own is going on. It's taking time to load. Okay. Uh okay. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Um I'm waiting for us to just reach 10. So don't just start and then we will be going back and front. Meanwhile, if you are here already, please just type something so that other can see. Okay, we are now 12, so we can continue. So where we ended the last time, I think we ended where we were trying to infuse our logo. Let me open up while I'm mouse this here. Guys, stay online while I set up. Okay, nice that you can hear me. But where we ended last time, we ended where we're trying to create logo. Yeah, let me share my screen to window. Printer, sorry. Okay, guys. So this is where we ended the last time. We were trying to create a logo and use it all through our pages. So which we ended here. But though the network was so bad that day, so after that I had to modify until I got this. So this is what we'll be using throughout our whole. This is going to be our main. This is how it looks. This is going to be our main logo throughout this session. So this is what the logo looks like. So anyway, I tried to modify until I got this particular one. So let's get straight to the point today. We're not going to waste time like before. So we are going to go back and share my code, my VS code. Please, those of you that have been okay, sorry guys, the network went off entirely. So if you can hear me, type I can hear you now. If you can hear me now, type I can hear you. I want to see people typing I can hear you so that I can continue. And please, once you are coming into the live, please try to like. I'm only seeing that it's just only one person that has liked the video. I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay. Please, I need to see more people. Yeah, network is bad. I need to see more people typing. I can hear you. Stop sharing your screen. Yeah, yeah, I stopped sharing because the network went off, but I'm coming back to it. If you can hear me type, I can hear you. Yeah, if you can hear me type, I can hear you. Okay, so I'm going back to our code. So just like I said earlier, we ended on where we are trying to input our. So I'm just going to go to the logo and type. Guys, give me a minute while I fix this. Please type I can hear you. Let me be sure that I'm talking to people. Type I can hear you. I don't know why network has become so poor. Although maybe because I'm not in my usual place. Type I can hear you. Let me be sure that we are all together in this. Type I can hear you. Okay, okay, okay. So where we ended the last time was where we were trying to input our in our through our pages. So we are going to do this time too. So it looks like, and we want to actually put logo in all the pages we are going to create. So we are just going to give our editor. If you guys still understand how we got here, please just type we understand so that I will be sure that you guys are still with me. Like got to this place that we are. Let me bring it out a little bit. Yeah, this place that is showing. Let me minimize this screen. Yeah. Okay, if you know how we got to this place that that is showing you to describe what you want to build, please type it on the comment section. Let me see it. Okay, we understand. Okay, okay, I've seen it there. So we are just going to prompt our AI this. We are saying replace all placeholder logos with img logo.png and ensure consistent branding site-wise. That is, I'm trying to prompt the AI. Okay, we understand. If you can understand, please type we can understand. So I'll be sure that we are still together in this. So I just told the AI replace all the placeholders. That is where we have logo that you should replace it with the images the image that we just downloaded from ChatGPT right now, which I've already put in the in IMG folder, and the name is logo and the file format is PNG. So I'm trying to tell the AI to pick that particular picture from that folder known as IMG, and the name of the file is logo, and the type of file is PNG. Mind you, there will have different type of file. You have JPG, you have PSD, you have bitmap, we have different kind of document format. But this particular one, we did it PNG because it's a transparent. If it's on PNG or on any other this thing or bitmap, maybe the white background will be showing, but we don't want those. We don't want background. We want it to be transparent. That's why we save it as PNG. Please, if you understand, please type understand. I want to be seeing action going on. I want to be seeing people commenting so that we know that I'm with people. So if you understand or in any place we are going, you can just keep typing so we can understand. Are you seeing, moderator? Are you seeing my screen full? Okay. So now I'm prompting the AI right now. I'm prompting the AI to do this particular thing for us. So we just click send, and the AI start evaluating, and just give it few minutes. I pray the network doesn't get as bad again. You don't go again. You don't go again. The network don't go back. Just is it playing on your own? Please, if you can hear me, type I can hear you. Okay, I can see your screen. Please, if you can hear me, type I can hear you. I'm seeing some people saying the network is bad. Some people saying okay, okay, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So as you can see, it's optimizing the two section considering, and it started. So if you can read through our what the AI is generating right now, say I'll help you replace placeholder logo with logo PNG and ensure consistency branding. Let me first examine the current file to see what needs to be updated. So it keeps going. Expand this. So as you can see, the AI is just generating all the code so that it can fill up all the places with the logo. So it's still working on it. So all you just have to do is just sit back and allow the AI do the work for you. Moderator, if you can't see anything, please just let me know so that I know how to touch it back. So as you can see, yes. So once it prompts you to keep, meaning you should accept, look at it as you can see that you have infused that folder. It has infused the folder, the logo name, and the format as PNG. As you can see it here, that it has added it to our test code here. So all you have to do is just keep to save it. So and as you can see, all logo reference now use the proper logo.png paths, ensuring consistency branding across the entire page. So let's go to our site and refresh. Let's see what we have. Let me share back the screen too. So this is our this is our website. So let's refresh and see. So what you discover is that the logo, the name is Job Hunters logo. Mean that is the name that we reference it to. So now that is why the logo is not displaying yet. So I'm going to I'm going to go back and ask the AI to correct it that it's not visible. Or we can simply just go and change this and change our logo name to the Job Hunters logo. So let me just change it and refresh back. But we can still tell the AI to do that for us. So just a minute while I change that. I think why I'm trying to change that, let's share back our screen to our code editor so that we can all follow along. So this is our code editor, and as you can see, oh, the logo is even correct because it's actually the right name, Hero logo. So the alternative is when the logo is not available, which name, when the logo when the internet cannot fetch the file, it will automatically display that is where you have this auth and the Job Hunters logo. So we are going to see why our site is not previewing the logo yet. So let's read through our file. So where we have that logo first, let's go back to our website to see where we have the logo that is not visible. So have the logo first. Oh, we're even having, let me share back to the website so you can understand. Please, if the network start going bad, please all start commenting that the network is bad so we can understand that our network is bad. Let me see. So as you can see that we have these duplicates here. So we are going to correct that. And the logo is supposed to be here. but it's not displaying. And where else are we supposed to have the logo that we don't have logo? Okay, so it's basically just here that the logo appears. So let's start from reading this first file. Why why this particular one is duplicate. So I say when the picture is not available, it's going to appear as this the job hunters. It's not showing complete, but it's supposed to show you the job hunters logo. So that is why you are seeing this particular thing here. It's a sign that it's a picture that's supposed to appear there, but the picture is not available. That is why it's showing you this name. That's why we are having a duplicate name. So we are going to go back to our code editor and prompt the AI to do the correction for us. So let's share our screen back to the code editor. So let's our screen back to the code editor. So if you are still following along, you will come across so many things like this that when you are trying to tell the AI to do something and the AI will do something different. I don't know if you get. So if you are having this kind of situation, all you just have to do is you have to read through your code, then go back to your AI and prompt the AI that this is what is happening, that it should correct it. So I'm going to ask the AI in this our describe what we are describing here now. We are going to describe exactly what happened, meaning that we can't find our logo. So I'm going to tell the AI, fix the logo, and I'll just say give it comma and say it's not visible. So and I sent. Let's hold on and see why it's not visible. So it's going to read through your code. It's going to first read through your code. Let me check the issue. The problem is likely with hold on. The problem is likely with the part format since this has a okay. Just few minutes. It's going off and on. Let's see. So just few minutes. The logo should now display properly since. So let's read what was the problem at first. He said, let me check the issue. The problem is likely with the part format since this is a local HTML file, logo.png. Absolute part won't work. It should be a relative part. So this particular one, I know that it's difficult for you to understand these languages, but it's just reading it by itself. It's going to do the work that's supposed to be to like it's supposed to do its work. You get, so you don't have to worry about what the how it's reading it. But I'm just reading this so you can understand why was it not displaying. So if I click on save now, as you can see that this part changed, and as you can see it here, we are going to go back and refresh, but it's telling you that it's done, that the logo will now be visible. So let's go back to our website and refresh. So I'm going to share back my screen. Sorry, where is it? So I'm sharing back my screen to this. So if you can see it right now clearly, if you guys can see it, please type I can see it. So if you can see it, type I can see it. Type I can see it. Type I can see it so I know that you can see it. As you can see, he has already corrected the logo, and our logo is now visible both at the top here and both here. As you can see that all the places that are supposed to have the logo is now visible. So you can see our logo here right now. Please, if you can see it, type I can see it. And if there is a network, okay. So that's just basically it. We have added logo across all our page. Mind you that we have not started building any of the pages here. We've not started building any of the pages. Why we are adding the logo is that so that we don't come back later to come and start adding the logo on each of the page. So we are going to do everything possible right now. We're going to do everything possible in this first page so that when we start creating the next page, we won't have this challenge. Please, if you are here on this, if you can hear me clearly, please type on the like icon so that other people can get to see this. And if you have anybody that you know that he was active on the class and has not been, because I'm just seeing that we are just 13 here, which we used to be like 30, 40. So if you know, just like it so that other people can get to see it. So another thing is the Copilot, the GitHub Copilot is just a code generator. You get me? It doesn't give you the final result. It is you who will be satisfied with what he has given you. So once you are not satisfied, you keep modifying it until you get exactly what you want. Like if you can see that from the beginning, this logo was not visible, and it is you now who know that it's not visible. So you have to always cross-check your work. If you ask the AI, do this thing for me, you have to go back and see, my screen is not showing you anything. Please, is your screen showing something? Um, please, if you can't see anything, please just type I can't see anything or let me refresh. Let me refresh. Please type I can see you or let me see. One person just type that I can't see you. I can't nothing showing on my screen. Let's all type I can see. If you can see, type I guess you have to refresh your page. You have to refresh. I don't know why you can't see me, but I guess it might be a network issue. But other people are typing, they can see. Okay, so like as I was saying, it's not the final conclusion of any AI at all to give you a final result. It is you who determine that this is my final result. If you don't like what the AI gives you, you go back and tell the AI do it this way. Another thing is when you are building a website, you consider so many things. What you need to consider that is so many people are going to view it on smartphone, some is going to view it on Android phone, some iPhone, some is going to view on laptop, some on tab, some on television. So you need to put all those things in order. So if you are building your website, you have to always check how it appear on your phone, how it appear on tablet, how it appear on laptop, how it appear on television. You have to always check how it appear. And how did I say we can do it the last time? You can do it by just right click on your like click on any place around your website and click on inspect. Once you click on inspect, it will bring you to this particular place. Now it's showing like if it's displaying on phone. Please, can you guys see me? My share screen is not showing. Moderator, moderator 2, can you see? Eh? You just stop seeing it. Okay. Some people are saying they can see, some people cannot see. Okay, let me refresh it. Hold on, guys. Okay, if you can see me clearly now, please type I can see you. The network went bad, but it has been restored. If you can see me, type I can see you. If you can see me, type I can see you. If you can see me, type I can see you. You are seeing my okay. If you can see the website we're building, please type I can see. Okay, okay, I've seen I can see. So like as I was saying, once you are building, you have to cross-check across all tablets, all screen. You have to consider all those other people. So first of all, we were building on laptop on a desktop view, and we now change it to iPhone. Like if you can see here, it's showing that it's on iPhone 12. So you have to consider how people that use Samsung, how it's displaying on their screen. You have to also consider people that is can you see my can you see what I'm can you see where can you see my this thing? Can you see where it's showing like the rest the places I'm clicking on? Please, if you can see where I'm changing the screen spaces to, please let me know. If you can see, type I can see. But it's not displaying at my end. No, I can't. Okay, I can't. Okay, so let me take it back to desktop view. I think you're only seeing okay, let me share the entire screen. Entire screen. So a problem. Let me please if you can see me type I can see you. Your share screen is not showing. Please, when you stop seeing me, it's okay for you to type that you can't see me. I can't see the inscription. It's not inscription, or it's inspection. That is inspect. If you can see me now, type I can see you now. Type I can see you now. Okay, so I'm going back to share my screen. So the inspect is not showing, but when you go to your browser, if you are already on your browser and you click on inspect, if you look at your left hand corner side, you will see where it show you dimension. So from that dimension, if you click on it, you will see that you have multiple type of device that you can view it on. It's it's not showing. Yeah, I know it's not showing. That's why I'm describing it. If you see dimension by your left hand side, those of you that are following, please type I'm following. It's not displaying because I'm on inspect. And if I move out of this inspect, I will not be able to see the dimension. So if you check by your left hand side, you see different kind of devices that you can view it on. Right now, I'm viewing it on something known as, let me just say, this iPhone 12, this iPhone SE, and this is for Samsung Ultra, and these are for Galaxy Fold. So on your browser, you will likely find where you have dimension once you click on inspect. Once you click on inspect, you have dimension. So why am I even saying this? What I'm saying this is because you need to view it on different devices to see how it looks like, so that you don't just finish building for desktop side and then it's only showing properly on desktop. So right now it's actually showing okay. As you can see that even if I go back to my desk view, I can still view it clearly. And if I still come back on my mobile view, it's still okay. So I will just take this as a mobile view. I'll just it's a mobile view. I'll just call it mobile. So you have to cross-check in between your desktop view and your mobile view in order for you to be sure that even if somebody is using iPhone, if somebody is using phone or using tablets or using this thing, it's working properly. This is very, very necessary when developing a site, so that you know that it's more, how do they call it, mobile friendly. You get, if you can't hear me, please type I can't hear you. I'm seeing the views are dropping. Please type if you can hear me, or you can't hear me. Please type. Let me see. I can see it. Okay, okay. Those of you that can see it, Adeji say you can. Adeji Olatayo say you can see it. So if you are with your system and you check this thing I'm telling you, you'll be able to find it. You get, so um that is it. So we have it's displaying well on mobile as well as desktop. So what else do we need to do before we move on into creating other pages? The next thing we are going to have is the footer. So this footer will eh? Yeah, network is actually so bad. Maybe because I'm not in my normal place. I'll try by next week to actually be in the office so that you can go normally. If you can hear me now, type I can hear you. The network is actually restored. The network is actually going so bad. Okay, okay. So I'm going back to our site. So what I was trying to say is that we need to add things to this footer. So at the end, the bottom of your site is known as the footer. Whatever appear under. Let's go back to our code editor so that we can scroll down to our footer. So whatever appear below your page is known as footer. And here we have our footer. Let's see where the footer started from. So as you can see, this is where our footer started from, and as you can see that thing it has there is just um, the job hunters, the job hunter, find, apply, grow, and this is all we have in our footer. And if I go back to our site, you also see that that is all that we have in our site. So, and as you can see, it's all we have in our site. This footer appear across all our pages. So why we need to develop it now is because if we develop it now and we start developing other pages, it's going to appear across all the pages. So what and what do we actually add in this footer? This thing. I'm going to change position. The network is so bad, so I'm trying to switch. I'm trying to. So if you can hear me now, just type I can hear you. Your network, yeah, my network is so bad. Please, if you can hear me now, type I can hear you. I just switched the network. Please type I can hear you. Let me see. Network is traveled. Please, if you can hear me, type I can hear you now. Let me see. Okay. I just had to switch the network. I guess. Okay. Okay. I guess we are back. Maybe probably this particular network will be better than the first one we are using. So as I was saying, as I was saying, we need to also build the footer. Let me share. Let me share. So as I was saying, we need to build this footer so that it appears the same way across all the pages we are going to build. So let me show you what and what will be share will be adding footer. If you can see my screen type, yeah, footer. If you can see my screen type, you can see. So that will be sure. Yes. If you can see my screen, please type I can see what we'll be having on our footer. Please type I can see. Type I can see. I can see your screen. We can see. Okay. Moderator, you can see, you can hear me. All right. So we'll be going to adding this the job hunters. We're just trying to, like anybody that's come across all our pages is going to see exactly what we do. Okay, I'll call you. All right. Network has gone bad again. Network is bad. Somebody still typing network is bad. Please, if you can hear me, please type I can't see. Somebody's typing I can't see. I can hear. Please oh let's all type if you can see and you can hear me. Please type I can see, I can hear. Okay. Then I guess who is the person that say I can't see? Let me see. Network is bad. Victoria, if you can hear me, please type I can hear you, Victoria. I'm waiting for Victoria to type. But anyway, we'll be adding this to our footer. We want anybody that come across our page, despite of where the person is, we want the person to understand what our website is all about. So our website is about your trust partner in finding the perfect job opportunity and building your dream career. That is what I can see, but I can't hear you. Somebody said I can see, but I can't hear you. I can see and hear. Please let me be sure of which one we are. Are we hearing me? Are we seeing me? Please let's all type I can hear, I can see. Moderator. Okay. Please let's type I can see and I can hear. This thing is frustrating me, to be honest. This network is okay. So if you I'm not seeing anybody typing anything. Okay, I can see and hear. Adekunle. Okay, so if please can you hear me right now? Can you hear me right now and type? Okay, I can see and hear you. Okay, so we'll be adding this to our footer. Like I said, we just briefly explain what we can. Godwin Adejo, I can see. Okay, we are just going to explain to anybody that comes to our page whatsoever. I can't see you. Ah, somebody still typing. I can't see you. Please, I think you need to go back, Mary Z. Please, Mary, please go back and refresh your page. I think every other person can see me aside from you. Or let me refresh. I think some people are not hearing me. That is why it dropped. Please, let's type now if you can see me and hear me. I just refresh the page. If you can see me and hear me, please type. I can see you, I can hear you. And everybody has just dropped. I can see you, I can hear you. Please, let's type if you can see me and you can hear me. This thing is I can see you and hear you. The whole this network issue is I guess I don't know, but I'm not going to take this class so long because of the network. I just want us to achieve one particular thing before we end the live. So please type if you can see me. Okay, I can hear you, I can see you. So I've already explained that we are adding this to our footer. I can see you, I can hear you. Okay. And then secondly, we're going to also add a quick link. So if the person in any page that the person is, he can quickly go to browse jobs, go to companies, go to CV, go to blogs. So we want to have access to that. Like if the person is on any page, you can scroll through those pages. Then we are also going to add resources like career tips, interview guide, salary insights, and contact us where you can actually reach us. I can see you. And okay, okay. So and next we are going to have a newsletter. Sorry. So next we are going to have a newsletter where you subscribe to our email. So anytime we have recent job, you'll be able to, the thing will automatically notify you that new job has been posted, most especially the job that you've been searching for. So this is what newsletter is. Then we are going to have the final one, which is going to have all our social media icons, privacy and policy, terms of condition, cookies, policy, and then it's going to automatically this appear above on beneath every website you see that has 2026 the job hunter all rights reserved. So I can see you now. Okay, so this is what we are going to add to our footer across all our pages. So anybody that is on any, despite the fact of any page you are, you'll be able to get access to these things that we just mentioned. So when you are building a site, you also need to, most of all the important places in your page, you don't have to let the person to go back home before you'll be able to access, or going back to that navigation menu to be able to go to a particular page. You're just going to give that person access from beneath your page. So let's go back to our AI and give that prompt. So let's get back to AI and give that prompt. Hold on, guys. I'm still. Hold on, guys, while I navigate to the page. So I'm going to prompt my AI this way so that it will be able to build all these things we are going to add. So I have already written them down. So I'm just going to copy this. Uh, I'm going to read it through. Just give me a minute while I copy all my contents that I want to. Moderator, can you hear me? Okay. So I'm going back to share my code. I think everybody has left. I don't know, maybe because of the network, but I guess the network is stable, more stable now. So I'm back to my coder. So I'm going to say add this to the footer. So this is what I'm going to be adding to my footer. Let me go from the top. So I say add this to the footer, and number one is just like as you said, it should have the job. Wait, everybody has left. Godwin, can you still hear me? I'm just seeing only three people here. Please, so you guys can type. You can hear me. Let me be sure that we are still here. Let it not be that just I'm talking. Okay, okay. So So this is what I will be adding. The first column that will be is that it should add the job title. It should add our company name, which is the job hunters, and the description of it should be your trusted partner in finding the perfect job opportunity and building your dream career. Then on column two, just like I showed you earlier, that is going to have um heading, a quick link. Then the links are going to be browse job, company, just like as we described earlier. So I'm just telling the AI that it should add all this to the footer. And I just described that it should add the social media here. Let me see from here that I should input email feed, social media. Like I've added all the whole social media, so it's going to generate this particular code, just like as we already described earlier from where we were coming from. I just copied that and pasted it on this. Let's see what it's going to give us. So if you want me to send you the complete prompts I have been using from day one for this thing, just comment on the comment section that you want all the prompts. But even if I give you all the prompts, it's going to be for the job hunters. It's not going to be for your own manual. So all you just need to do is to um to edit it and input what you think it should be on your own particular website. So as you can see, it keeps generating more code. So let's give it a few minutes while it's finished. Please, if you can't hear me, just don't hesitate to type that you can't hear me. I'm just clicking keep. Keep means to save it. So the AI generator and it still asks you if you want to save it. So you have to click on save in order to retain the new code that the AI gave you. So I'm just letting it build. Please, if you can't hear me, you can just type I can't hear you or I can't see. Oh, you guys have not been seeing let me see. You've not been seeing where I'm typing my because of my picture, my video by this left hand side. How do I move it to another side? Oh, oh, I really do not know how to move it to other side, but let me see if I can bring it up. I didn't know that you guys were not seeing where I was typing. I guess it's going to be difficult to have where I'm typing and let me see if I need to see. It's still the same. So guys, what I just pasted on the what I posted there was exactly what you saw that I wanted to add. You can't see my code because my video is appearing beneath it. I don't know how to shift that, but that's exactly what I prompted it. And as you can see, the footer now match a premium job platform aesthetic with professional styling and full mobile responsive. So I'll be measuring this mobile responsive. When you are building your site, always make sure that you have that mobile responsive. Like you always check the mobility, like people that is using mobile or using tablets or using any other device to view your website. So you need to put all these people in consideration. So let's go and preview it and see what we have. So let me go back and share this. So I'm going back to share This is the original footer. So now I'm going to just refresh the page. I'm going to just refresh the page, and as you can see that he has added all these things we asked it to add. We asked it to add. So you can see that in the footer it now has all those things. So let's view it fully. This is how it now appear. Exactly, you have Facebook, you have X, you have LinkedIn, and you have Instagram, and it has added all those places that you can quickly navigate to. So once we view it like this, let's preview it and see how it appears on phone. So I navigated to inspect. Then let's go back to our footer. And as you can see that our footer is not really that deep. It's really not okay. It's actually visible. So this is how it appear on mobile. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So he just added this from our initial footer that he has. He has added this particular one. So it's also see visible on mobile. So let's see what else should we do on this particular website. As you can see now that we have exactly what we asked it to do, and it has our policy, it has terms of service, it has cookies. So next we are going to start building our page one after the other. I don't know if the network has become stable, but I think after building the first page we are going to end for today. So I'm going to go back. What is the first page that we have? The first page that we have is find a job. So this find a job is a place where all job, like any job they post, any job we post is going to appear on this particular page. So all I'm just going to do is go back to my AI. Let's share back our screen to our coder. If you can hear me type, I can hear you. Click on your picture and move it. Is it possible? Sorry, it's not possible. I'm clicking on it and it's not clickable. I'm clicking on the picture, it's not clickable, so I can't move it. I guess maybe before the next class I'm going to find that out. So we are going to start building from finding a job. So this find a job is where it's going to where all job that is posted is going to appear. Are you getting me now? So let's go back to our code editor. Let me share back our code editor. And here is our code editor. So we are going to first, let me minimize. I'm sure that you guys can see me. There's no way, guys. I don't know how you guys are going to see what I'm typing, trying, but I guess it's not going to be possible for you guys to see what I'm typing. But before the next class, I'll be able to rectify that. So, what I'm typing here is I'm telling the AI I'm typing um build. I'm going to share what I'm typing at the end of this class since it's not showing. So I'm saying build the find a job on the navigation on the navigation bar. Then I put it in bracket and say menu. Then I'm going to tell it to add like let me say 50 jobs. Okay, 50 jobs, let's say 100 jobs. So I'm going to ask the AI to add, let me even say 300 jobs in the tech industry. Then I will ask the AI also to categorize. I'm telling the AI also to categorize. I'm going to paste this. I'm going to paste my prompts at the end of the day so you guys can see what I typed. So I'm just telling the AI to categorize the job by type. Categorize the job by types. Then as I say types, I'm going to put in brackets remote, then physical. So I just ask it to categorize it by physical. Why is my not typing? Just a minute. I'm still typing. So I just ask it to categorize it by remote, hybrid. Why is my keyboard misbehaving? So I just type hybrid and physical. So I just ask the AI to categorize it by remote, hybrid, or physical. So if the job is going to be remote, completely remote, it's going to categorize all of them by the job type as those three classification I just give it. So I click on enter. And let's just add one physical job like sales rep and then, okay, but no worry, let's just do in the tech industry. So I'm sending it and it start evaluating. So this is what I typed. As you can see from this up, I say build define a job on the navigation bar in brackets menu. Add 300 jobs in the tech industry. Categorize the job by type, remote, hybrid, and physical. So this is what I prompted the AI. This is what is building. Say, okay, I will build out a comprehensive find a job session with 300 tech job categorized by employment type. Let me start by examining the current structure. So you have start examining it. Let's just give it some time to finish. Please, if you can't hear me, type I can't hear you so I can know. Please type I can hear you. Let me be sure that we are all here. I need all the prompts. Okay, no problem. No problem. I'm going to. Okay, okay, okay. So as you can see, the AI keep building the site. So now let's create a comprehensive find a job. This is still evaluating it. So you that say that you need what I typed. This is what I typed above. It's there. I can hear you. Okay, okay. Please let's all type I can hear you. The class is becoming so boring. I don't know if it's because of the network or because people are no longer understanding. Please, if you don't understand, type I can't understand. Let me see. So I'm just clicking on keep to keep whatever the is creating. Are you guys there? If you are there, you can see that I keep the site keep is still working on it. Still working on it. It's editing the site and giving us exactly what we ask it to do. It's taking some time, but it's going to completely build it. So why this why why this is still building? I would like to end the class after immediately after this particular one. So and don't forget we still talk about giving a laptop today. So my question for today is, if you guys can hear me, just type I can hear you. Moderator, can you hear me? Okay. Okay. All right. So why the thing keep building? Let me see where it is. I'm going to ask my today question. It's still loading. And I think we're going to end this class today with all this network issue stuff. I really need to get a one particular standard place that I will have a good network before we continue. So my question for today is, we discussed this a lot in this particular one. Let's see if you can hear me type. So okay, yes, finished rolling. Okay, okay, it's almost done. So I think we're going to let it done before I ask my question. So all you just have to do is once you start working on once the AI is building for you, you can just relax and be doing other things. Once you come back and you see that it's done, you just load it. So let's okay. It's still taking time, maybe because I asked you to add 300 jobs. So my question for today is: imagine Copilot created a website that has poor mobile experience. That is, if you view it on if you view it on a mobile view. Am I even explaining the question? We talked about this a lot. How would you improve the website to be mobile responsive and mobile friendly? The first person that gets this answer, look at the question again. Imagine that the AI created a website for you and it's not mobile responsive. How would you identify that it's not mobile responsive? I don't know if you are hearing. If you can hear me, type I can hear you. Let me see that you guys are there. Okay. So how would you improve the website to be mobile responsive and mobile friendly? The first person that answers the question gets the is our lucky winner for today. The network fucked us up. So if you can see, he has finished building our oh the first person to answer the question, Godwin Adejo. I would test the website on different screen and browser using responsive design testing tool. I will check navigation. Wow, wow, wow. Godwin, button size, so it's like Godwin, you were there throughout the whole class, despite the fact of the network. I think maybe you are determined for today. So Godwin Adejo, EG, you are the winner for the laptop. So as you can see that he has already created. Godwin, please reach out to me on WhatsApp. So as you can see that I have finished creating creating the this thing, creating the find a job page, and as you can see that I say they just spam from entry level 400k to 700k to executive role 1.5 million to 5 million, covering all major tech specialization like React, Python, DevOps, data science, cloud architecture, security, and more. So let's go and refresh our page. So we are going to go back to our site and refresh to see what we have. So I'm sharing it. So let me refresh. And now let's click on the job and see. So I clicked on the job, and as you can see here, there he has created our 300 gem, and he categorized them according to how we ask it by having remote, hybrid, and physical. So if you want to only work remotely, you can just click on the remote, and only job that appear to be remote is going to be there. And if you say it should be hybrid, it's going to appear only the one with hybrid. You can see this is what our this thing has generated for us. And then if you click on physical, it's going to um, give you only the jobs that are physical. And then again, if you click on all the job is going to appear. So if you guys can hear me, type I can hear you. With from the inspection, you can improve it. Understood. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. So as you guys can see, this is what the AI has created for us. It has created that find a job page, and he has added all these things for us. So like I said, the AI has no final say in your design. So as though we have it like this, we can still try to. You can even see that it's telling you that it's 300 job. We can still try to tell the AI to do one or two things. So you just keep modifying, keep modifying, keep modifying, keep modifying, keep modifying until you get exactly what you want. So this is where this particular tutorial is going to come to an end. If you have any question on building your website completely with AI, please try to reach out to me. I'm also going to have one final class, which is going to be next week. That final class is how I'm going to modify this AI to the extent that I want, and I'm going to share the tips with you guys. So maybe before we end this class, I would like to add one thing before we end the class. I think that's going to be the last thing we're going to add before we end the class. Then from that next week, I'm going to show you completely how I modified this site too, and that will be the end of the tutorial. So if you have any challenges, if you have any challenges developing your own site, or you have any question to ask me, you can comment this down any of my video. And normally I respond to all the whole comments, so I will see it there. Or you can reach out to me on WhatsApp if you are on the group chat. But if you're not on the group chat, you can just put it on the comment section. I'm going to answer your question. So guys, so sorry for the network for today, but this is where we're going to end. Thank you guys for always coming online. It's nice having you. See you guys on Sunday next week, which is going to be our last class. Thank you.